Okay, so, sorry, that's a little off. Here's what they did the next step. So they took 4 squares initially,
Yeah.
okay?
4
And these are 1 by 1.
1 by 1.
So instead of starting with a 1 by 1 square and taking out the thirds, they took 4 of them together, and then they took out the middle third. Yes, I'll do it up here.
Middle ninth.
Oh, sorry, middle ninth. You're absolutely right. So how much area? I started with 4. How much area do I have now
Well,
once I take
4
these middle ninths?
minus 4 ninths.
4 minus 4 ninths, which is what?
Which is 3 5 ninths.
Okay.
Well, you can also take a 4 out of everything and
3
say
and
it's
5 ninths.
4 times 8 ninths.
Say it's 4 times 8 ninths. Okay. And what does this 4 times 8 ninths represent? Does anyone know?
Well, it represents what you leave behind. You have 8 ninths left behind in the square,
Uh-huh.
and you have 4 of those squares.
Yeah, very good. So this is our new area is the original area, 4 times whatever fraction we had left. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next thing they did is they chopped each one of these little squares into not 3 pieces, but actually 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they took out
Middle 25th.
the middle 25th. Okay.
Yeah.
So the question now is how much area did we take out?
Well, you took out 32 25ths. So you took out 1 25th, and there's 32 of them.
Gotta be careful here.
Here there's 8 of them in here.
Yep.
Then you have 4 of those of copies of those.
Uh-huh.
So 32.
Okay, so they definitely took out 32 of something, but it's not 32 over 25. That's not
Oh.
1/25th. What is it? What's the length here?
Well, aren't these lengths a third?
This length is a third.
Yeah.
So
And it's
those
chopped
are
into 5.
1/75th, because it's a third, and then you're chopping each of the third pieces into 25 pieces.
Well, let's be careful.
We're chopping it into 5.
We're
into
chopping the
fifths.
thirds into fifths.
Thirds into fifth, 15ths.
Yeah, so it's 15ths.
So-
32 15ths.
32 2/25ths, I would think.
Yeah, so the side length is 15.
Side.
The side length is 1/15th, I'm sorry. Because it was a third, and then the third was chopped into fifths. And what's 15 times 15?
Is 1. No, 225.
Yes, 15 times 15 is 225. So we're getting 32 225ths is how much we're subtracting away from this. If we wanted to do it this way, like we did before. But what fraction of the area are we leaving behind?
Well, you leave behind it would be 193 over
What?
193 over 225.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't state the question very well. For each one of these squares here, what fraction of the area are we leaving behind?
We're leaving 24 of the 25 pieces.
We're leaving 24 of the 25 pieces behind. So what should I multiply this by
So
to get my new fraction?
wouldn't that be 24? Wouldn't it just be 24 25ths?
Yeah. So I should get 4 times 8 ninths times 24 over 25 times 24 over 25. But also, from this, when we calculate how much we're subtracting away, I should get 4 times 8 ninths, that was our area before, minus 32 over 225. Okay, and that should equal 4 times 8 ninths times 24 over 25. So we have a little bit of fraction comparing to do here. Luckily, it's not super hard because I can take out a 32 from this equation. So I get 32 times 1/9
1/9
minus 1 over 225. Okay. Now, what's going to be the common denominator between 1/9 and 225?
Well, 9 times. Well, So, you know, 225 has some 3's in it.
How many?
It has 2 3's in it.
Okay.
So 225 would be the common denominator.
225 would be the common denominator. What is it 9 times?
It's 9 times 25.
9 times 25. So this is actually 25 over 225.
Minus
So this
9.
It would be 32. So this would be 24 over 225
So-
in here.
So 32 times 24 over 225,
24 over 225.
which is,
Right. Well, it's 32 times 24 over 225.
right, it's 32 times 24 over
But you
225.
can cancel a 3 from the 24.
We could definitely do some canceling, but we're trying to see if it's equal to 4 times 8 times 24 over 9 times
Well,
25.
9 times 25 is 225. You have a 32 here, and
Yep.
you've got the 24.
So look at that.
So it works.
Okay, so it worked. All right.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go to the next step.